Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to crochet a very super easy blanket stitch, and it's going to form as in braids, as you can see, leaving spaces in between. So let's get started. I'm going to chain 12, now I'm going to yarn over, going to the next stitch, pull through and pull through 3 loops, yarn over again, going to the next one, pull through 3 loops, you can see this is how it's going to look like. Then we're going to chain 2 from here and going to come here to this space here, then from the back side pull through 3 loops that way, then again here from the back side this space here again, and here pull through, yarn over again here, in the last loop here to make half double crochet, then going to chain 2 again, turn over yarn, go right in here, then going to go right there, pull through go again right over there, back side, there, right there, with the same space, half double crochet. I'm going to chain 2. So as you can see, we have our braid forming here, and in between we have a space. So I'm going to yarn over again to go right there, and from the back pull through 3 in the same space, here right again, and make half double crochet. Simple. I'm going to chain 2 again, turn our yarn again back, so you can see we have 1 and 2. So I'm going to yarn over again. I'm going to go right here and there. Right there. the same space here to make half double crochet. Chain 2 again, and as you can see we have 1 2, then when you come back over here we have 1 and 2, and in between we have the space. So do my last row, insert your hook, pull through the back loop, yarn over again, then you're going to go right there, pull through this back side, right there, in the last row here, crochet, then we do chain 2 again, as you can see. So we're going to chain 12 here, then we are going to make half double crochet, then when you come here we're going to chain 2, then we're going to turn over our work, and we're going to make half double crochets as well. To get these braids, as you can see in lines, we're going to insert a hook in, we're going to make half double crochet, but in the spaces over here. So we're going to go in the space here, insert a hook, and pull through the other side on the top of 2 loops, so it's going to be in between, and make half double crochets. So you will continue like that till you get this beautiful result, and you're going to get 1 2 and 3. As you can see, in between we have spaces. So I hope you like my video, and till my next video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye, till then we'll see you again.